Organic alfalfa powder has garnered significant attention as an ingredient in pet food. This plant-based supplement is rich in a variety of nutrients that can significantly improve a pet's health. Organic alfalfa powder is made from organically grown alfalfa through drying and grinding. Alfalfa powder is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy bones and joints, as well as overall metabolic function in pets. Alfalfa also helps neutralize acidity in the body, which is especially beneficial for pets with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. We are proud to be a leading supplier of bulk ingredients and are committed to providing quality products that meet the highest industry standards. Welcome to our state-of-the-art plant extract factory. As a professional B2B enterprise, here is the perfect combination of quality and nature. Our products hold the highest industry certifications: organic, kosher, halal, ISO 9001, FSSC 22000. With our U.S. warehouse, we ensure fast and efficient door-to-door delivery. Please contact us now for wholesale orders.